Now, life cycle of temperate bacteriophage. Okay. Now, temperate bacteriophage means in this kind of bacteriophage are having both the type of life cycle, either lytic or lysogenic, both mode of life cycle here. Now, in lytic cycle, what their actual goal is that the bacterial actual phage goal is to replicate inside the host cell and then lyse the host cell and come up with all of their progeny viruses, right? But in case of lysogenic cycle, what their aim is to put their genetic or genome, put their viral genome inside somewhere inside the host genome or the bacterial genome for certain period of time. After that, when they turn the environment is turned opposite to them, then this lysogen will be converted to the lytic phage, and then they again lyse the cell and then can come out, right? So if they want to stay for longer period of time inside the host cell, they will choose lysogenic cycle. If they want to just replicate inside the host cell, they will choose lytic replication cycle. Okay, now there is a switch, very important molecular switch to select from lytic or lysogenic cycle between their living. Okay, and we'll be seeing what are those switches to find that. Okay, but usually what happens, say this virus enters and it delivers their genome. Usually the genome for lambda is DNA. Now the DNA is then getting transcribed, then replicated into proteins, then they finally organize the proteins, and then the phage particles will come out by the lytic cycle, right? But for the lysogenic cycle, they can incorporate their genome with the host bacterial DNA or bacterial genome. It can stay there for several times. Okay. Now, one important thing I must tell you is that nowadays most of them, in fact, all of them, phage particle or lambda phage particle we are working with are a variety called Lambda papa. Now, what is Lambda papa here? Now, Lambda papa is simply derived from two important individual lambda type, which one is Lambda Paris, another one is Lambda Pasadena. Uh, the name suggests all that lambda is from this Paris or lambda phage obtained in Paris and the lambda phage obtained in Pasadena, and they cross these two and they finally produce this lambda papa, which is designated as a model lambda phage to study the rest of the processes nowadays.